welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today this is my assistant Frank. Look at, say hi, say hi. And today we're going to be doing some basic tricks. Today we're going to be using dog treats. Trick is to make your dog sit. The thing you need to do is to get his attention. Frank, come here, baby. Treat and use the command sit. Come here, baby. Sit. Poor, good boy. Second command is paw. So when he's sitting down, tell him to give you paw. Give you paw, and then you give it to him like that. So yeah. That's the second. Newest one. Down, down, down. Good boy. So that's the down one. That's the down one as well. Give your dog lots of love and praise. And make sure to click the like button and the bell button and the subscribe button. See you all next time, guys. Goodbye.